a panoramic view of the quaint village nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling river, with thatched roof houses painted in soft pastel colors and cobbled streets winding through. The sparkling river flows gently, reflecting the blue sky and surrounded by lush greenery. Small wooden boats are tied to the riverbank. A bustling marketplace filled with colorful stalls selling fresh fruits, vegetables, and handmade crafts. Villagers wander through, chatting and buying goods. Arin Patel stands in a lush green field, holding a wooden basket filled with ripe fruits. He gazes into the distance with a thoughtful expression. Arin Patel's mesmerizing green eyes reflecting the bright sunlight, with strands of his dark brown hair curling slightly at the ends. Raj Patel works in the field, standing next to a wooden plow. He wipes his forehead with his hand, looking content as he surveys the land. Anjali Patel kneels by a small garden, tending to blooming flowers. Her soft brown eyes are fixed on the plants as she gently waters them. Meera Patel skips along a cobbled street, holding a small handmade kite. Her laughter fills the air as her ponytail swings with her movement. Meera Patel's hands adjusting the string of the handmade kite, with colorful stalls visible in the slightly blurred background. Arin Patel sits on a wooden bench under a large banyan tree near the riverbank, holding an open book on his lap. Sunlight filters through the tree's dense leaves. First-person POV looking down at the open book on Arin Patel's lap, with handwritten notes and sketches visible on the pages. Raj Patel, Anjali Patel, and Meera Patel sit together on a wooden porch of their thatched-roof house. Raj Patel leans back on a chair. Anjali Patel holds a knitting project in her hands, and Meera Patel giggles while pointing at a butterfly landing on a blooming flower in the garden near the house. Its delicate wings shimmer in the sunlight. Arin Patel and Meera Patel run across an open meadow, their silhouettes framed against the bright morning sky, with the rolling green hills in the background. A cobbled street lined with pastel-colored houses, with children playing and villagers chatting in the background. The atmosphere is lively and warm. A vibrant handmade craft stall in the marketplace, displaying intricately designed pottery and woven baskets. Arin Patel's family gathers around a wooden dining table inside their home, sharing a meal. The room is simple but cozy, with sunlight streaming through the window. Arin Patel's hands passing a bowl of steaming rice across the table to Meera Patel. The sparkling river at sunset, with its surface painted in hues of orange and pink. The lush greenery and rolling hills are softly silhouetted in the background. The entire Patel family stands together near the riverbank, their figures silhouetted against the glowing sunset, with their house visible in the distance.